And rifampicin is very important drug not only for TB but also for leprosy, and everyone knows that rifampicin is the first line drug among the antitubercular drugs, which is very effective for TB as well as for leprosy. And remember, the first point about rifampicin is not only effective for TB but also for leprosy, and it can kill extracellular bacteria as well as intracellular bacteria, and it is very effective drug for leprosy. And its mechanism of action is it stops or inhibits the RNA production, and by that protein synthesis will be stopped, and it shows bactericidal property. And most of the time rifampicin is available in oral form. It is absorbed very well from the GI tract, and it is distributed to all parts of the body, and it usually it undergoes metabolism in the liver by deacetylation, and some part of the rifampicin is excreted through bile, and most of the time the rifampicin is excreted through urine. And remember, there is one other important point about rifampicin is rifampicin causes discoloration of urine, sweat. Okay, it decolorizes sweat, and sometimes it also stains lacrimation and saliva of the patient, and also it also can stain the mucus of the body. Okay, however, this staining is not a dangerous ADR, or it is a harmless ADR. So we, being the pharmacist or the physician, we have to advise the patient not to fear about the staining mechanism of the rifampicin. Rifampicin is very effective for meningitis, and sometimes it is also effective for influenza, and along with some other drugs, rifampicin can be given in combination for brucellosis. Okay, so this is another important advantage with rifampicin and uses with rifampicin. Main adverse drug reactions associated with rifampicin are GI related adverse drug reactions, and nausea, vomiting is commonly seen. Sometimes diarrhea will be seen, and rashes can be seen with rifampicin, and hepatitis is another adverse drug reaction with rifampicin. Rifampicin is a strong enzyme inducer, so when rifampicin is prescribed, we have to check that patient is not taking oral hypoglycemic drugs, oral anticoagulants, or sometimes oral contraceptives. Okay, so contraceptive failure can be seen with rifampicin. Oral hypoglycemic drugs activity, or patient may fail the hypoglycemic action of oral hypoglycemic drugs, and sometimes oral anticoagulant activity may also be reduced because rifampicin increases the enzyme levels in the liver, and by that the breakdown of other drugs which are given along with rifampicin can be metabolized quickly, and their efficacy will be reduced. So remember guys, rifampicin about enzyme induction property, and it has some ADRs like hepatitis, rashes, and discoloration. Staining is one ADR which is harmless, and remember that it can be used for influenza, brucellosis, and it is effective, very effective drug for TB as well as leprosy. And pharmacokinetics, anyways, it is discussed that it is absorbed very well from the GI tract and distributes all over the body, and deacetylation, metabolism, and excretes, some part of rifampicin is excreted through bile, and most of the time it is excreted through urine. And yeah, these are some important points you have to remember about rifampicin.